Hello, today I want to talk to you about Metageek's recent release of Channelizer for CleanAir. The new version, which was released just this week, November 8th, connects seamlessly to Cisco 2800, 3800 CleanAir APs. This means we can support the flexible radio in any role it supports, i.e. 2.4 gigahertz client serving, the 5 gigahertz client serving, which gives you a view of both 5 gigahertz channels. And of course, in monitor mode, we can see all of 2.4 and 5 gigahertz because it's not a serving radio mode. Of course, this has no impact to client traffic. It's fully inline monitoring. You'll need Channelizer version 5.9.0.10 and Cisco WLC version 8.5. The first thing that I need to do is go over to my radio and determine what role we're serving. So I'm in channel 1, that's 2.4, and I'm in a client serving local mode. So this is set up pretty much like a legacy AP right now, serving both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. Then I would go to my application. I would open Channelizer's CleanAir Connect to a CleanAir AP dialog, put in the IP address for the AP, the NSI key, and then tell the application what role my slot 0 radio is in, currently 2.4 gigahertz, and then I go connect to the AP. Now the nice thing about the local mode view is that it eliminates any Wi-Fi because all we're seeing now is spectrum that is not Wi-Fi. My serving radio, my 5 gigahertz dedicated radio, is currently on channel 153 with a secondary channel of 149. My slot 0, or my flexible radio, is on channel 1, and it looks like we've got some pretty bad interference here. See if I'm detecting. Yes, indeed. So I have a video camera operating on channel 1. It's a 100% duty cycle. That's going to be a problem for some client traffic. Okay, so we're going to take another look at this, only this time I'm serving 5 gigahertz from my slot 0 radio. Again, it's in local mode. I'm going to go back to my CleanAir dialog in Metageek's Channelizer application, put in my IP address, put in my NSI key, and this time I'm going to tell it that slot 0 is in 5 gigahertz. And again, we're going to connect to the radios. And here again is my dedicated radio on channel 153 using 149 as a secondary. And my slot 0 radio set up for 44 with 48 as a secondary, it looks like. Okay, now we're going to do the XOR radio in monitor role, which is going to provide both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz information to the CleanAir Metageek Channelizer CleanAir application. And again, I'm going to give it an IP address of the AP, the NSI key, and this time we're going to tell Channelizer that we're strictly operating with the monitor role. So what this does is it pulls all the spectrum from the XOR radio and it leaves the dedicated 5 gigahertz radio serving clients. But I'm able to see all of 2.4 gigahertz spectrum as well as the 5 gigahertz spectrum. Thanks for listening today. I hope you'll go out and take a look at Metageek's fine products. Channelizer with CleanAir is something I can't live without. Have a great day.